Yo, what is up, man? It's your boy Damn D POV, and we got a heated conversation between 40 Glocc and Wack 100, man. Wack 100 is all over the place, man. So, like I said, hey, I'm not a gangbanger. I'm not here to give y'all my point of view. I'm just here to give y'all the audio, and y'all decide who wrong and who right. Because at the end of the day, I am a civilian, and I'm just listening for entertainment purposes. All right, I'm a regular working citizen American. I'm not a gangbanger or none of that. All right, so y'all decide on who wrong and who right. All right, so let's get into it, man. It's your boy Damn D POV. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Let's get it.
It has been my house day one.
No, it hasn't.
So wait a minute, what the house got to do with it? You was suing a nigga for a house?
Because the nigga what he tried to do because he thought it was Game's house.
Are you asking me a question or are you asking him?
Yes, I'm asking you a question, boy. What the house got to do with this?
I'm gonna break it down for you because I see a lot of y'all don't even know what a lawsuit is or how they work. First of all, you don't need nothing to file a lawsuit. I can run in and sue.
We ain't talking about the lawsuit. With the house. The lawsuit, we ain't worried about that. What the house got to do with it?
Now what happened?
I mean, you was suing a nigga for some money.
Yes.
How did the house get involved?
Okay, the house gets involved because they hadn't paid. Now, when you don't pay a lawsuit, I could put the person that wins the lawsuit. They could put a lien on anything that they find out that's yours. And the house is in Jay-Zion's name, and I got the lien. They didn't know I knew where his house was. They didn't know I knew that nigga house, and I knew the nigga house. You understand? They knew I knew the nigga house, but they didn't know that they must have forgot. I don't know if they smoking too much weed or whatever the fuck. They knew I was coming there. That's why when they jumped me, the nigga jumped on the plane and flew overseas immediately. So at the end of the day, when that came, when somebody don't pay you on a lawsuit, what they have to do is they have to you can put a lien on any of their property. So when they got the lien on the property, now he can't do nothing with the house unless you go through me. You have
Bro,
to pay
negative.
But now let me ask you this.
I got the recording. You want the recording?
Bro, listen, this what you don't understand.
I just sent you a message.
This what you don't understand, little dude.
Only understand.
The house has always been my house.
It's his primary residence.
It's always been my house, nigga.
Hold on. We got Phoenix. We got an attorney that's Phoenix. What you say?
It ain't never not been my house.
It's his primary residence, and as such, a lien cannot be asserted against his primary residence
What are you
under those
talking about,
circumstances.
bro? I was never named in the lawsuit, bro.
We know you weren't named in the lawsuit. You was negotiating for him, my nigga.
40 Glocc. I got a question.
You negotiated for him.
I got a question, 40.
What's
Same scenario. Would you do it? Would you sue somebody else again if they was to jump you? Same scenario, different celebrity?
Listen, I just took two bullets, 4.5s, one to the chest. I got a bullet on my spine, and I got a bullet through my motherfucking forearm. You dig? And I caught that at point blank range. I watch your niggas shoot me.
Yes or no?
I ain't told a goddamn thing. I don't know.
So why you tell on the
never
game?
got jumped.
So why you tell on the game?
I sue over niggas when they do bitch ass shit in fake fights, my nigga. He faked the fight. That's the first
That's
time
a
I ever got
fake
paid for a fight, nigga. I ain't never had a fake
So
fight.
you mean to tell
I
me
never met
there's
a nigga
certain
that
shit
faked a fight,
niggas
my
can
nigga.
do to make you snitch?
Nigga, that ain't snitching. Snitching is when you go to the cops.
Can I ask
So if I'm snitching, listen, if I'm snitching, then Wack
The street, I told y'all the streets is over, bro.
Yeah, that shit over.
I told y'all the streets is over. Niggas just like, we can go file a civil suit. Hey, listen, nigga, them grip niggas jumped us at the movie.
6'9" lock niggas up and you making up this new shit calling niggas civilians. Nigga, if a nigga mama a
I've
snitch,
never been to a court, bro.
Somebody sees a snitch, that nigga that
I have never been to a courtroom with 6'9" in life.
Nigga, hold on. Hey, 40, hold on, 40. So you saying do your mama gangbang? Hold on. Do your mama gangbang?
Listen.
Yes or no? Did your mama gangbang?
What my mama gangbanging got to do with
Because
anything?
you just sit here and said if a motherfucker mama tell on you, she's a snitch. Nigga, my mama tell on motherfucker, she ain't no snitch. She don't fucking gangbang.
By your opinion, but the nigga she told on, he's gonna call her your mama a snitch, nigga.
Don't matter.
He call her what he want to call her, but it
You a snitch, nigga, shut up.
Nigga, she ain't affiliated.
Nigga, in your head. If she send me to jail, nigga, she a motherfucking snitch.
No, she not. She's a civilian. She told the
You
truth.
sound stupid as
They
fuck.
are not civilians. Are not subject to street politics,
So
bro.
when nigga got you and put work in, then you say that, or she was in.
Civilians are not subject to
So
street
what do
politics.
you call taking a nigga to court?
You mean suing a nigga? Cause that ain't court.
My nigga.
That's suing, man. Y'all niggas gotta stop. Suing is suing, man.
Listen to this.
Suing is suing. It ain't official. It ain't no G. It ain't a G move.
You stood in front of a judge and told the judge this nigga beat
That nigga wrote out a
Can I
statement.
clarify something?
Real bad now.
Hey,
We're gonna look real bad.
Hey, what'd you say, Phoenix? People will be kicking people off the stage if y'all can't understand the one mic policy. I don't care.
Yeah,
who
you got.
are.
Yeah. Can we let this?
Go ahead, Phoenix.
Okay, I just want to say that judges are, in fact, enforcers of the law, thereby law enforcement officers, whether they are civil or criminal judges. And as such, when you file a civil complaint in civil court, you are making law enforcement aware of the facts of a case, whether that is a tortious claim or a criminal claim made by the state.
I don't care what you talking about. You a lawyer, nigga.
It's
You ain't
still,
no criminal.
it's still
You coming on here with
making law
legalities that we already
enforcement.
know. But you telling us something we already.
Well, you're claiming that it's not.
You're
snitching.
claiming it ain't snitching.
If snitching
You
involves
wrote out a
making law
statement.
enforcement aware of certain conduct that is unlawful, then yes, that's snitching.
Hey, yo, 40, can I ask you a question? Yo, 40.
Go ahead, bro. Ask the question. See if he answers.
I just want to ask this question real quick. So if Plies would have filed a lawsuit against you, would you call that snitching?
He might be on mute.
I think somebody googled him.
There you go.
They googled him.
On mute.
Nah, he right there. He took over. He got a mute.
Unmute yourself.
Ask him again, Harlem. He right there.
Hey, yo, 40. So if Plies would have filed a lawsuit against you, is that snitching?
No.
Yo, 40, what you say your attorney name was?
Farhad.
If you stand on a stand, that's snitching.
You wrote a statement out,
nigga. Listen. Let me tell y'all something, bruh. In a civil lawsuit, my nigga, it's a civil law. If I, so you telling me I could go file a civil law suit right now and say, yo, bad breath giving me a headache. I want to sue you for $100 million.
That ain't what you did, though.
Listen, let me finish.
Yeah, some street shit, a fight, nigga.
Let me finish. See, he don't want y'all to let me finish.
Nah, because, bro, I'm all for
See, he don't want y'all to know.
Nah, bro, because this is the
I
thing,
think
bro.
he's asking me.
You cannot compare
he's
street
asking me
fight,
to
crippin'
clarify.
blood shit going on to a lady that ran and rear ended you in your car,
He asked me a
bro.
question. He didn't ask you, bro.
It's the nature of the complaint.
Is y'all gonna let me talk? The nigga asked me a question. Or y'all gonna keep talking over me every time, bro?
Go ahead, 40.
The nigga said whatever he said. Now I'm telling you this. If I want to file a lawsuit right now and say your breath stinking and give me a headache, and I could make it for $100 million. I pay my court fees and I go pay me a lawyer and I tell him I want to sue you. He's gonna say, okay, let's do it. Now if the judge and we say prove that your breath gave me a headache, my nigga, that is not snitching civil court, cuz y'all got the whole wrong inspector. That's why these niggas fronted to y'all and said he called the police. He sent the police over my house. You don't remember in the tape? He ran. Y'all remember this part? He got in the car and he drove off. And then at the end of the tape, he saw himself running on some feet and said, yeah, he called the police too.
Well, 40, hold on, 40, I got a
How you comparing some street squabble?
Hold on, Wack. This is one real question for the brother, for real. And this is real talk. Are there any other Colton City, ruling, whatever, Crips that got into a physical altercation with another man and took him to court?
Fuck no.
There's no need to. They ain't got into no physical thing.
No.
The motherfucker that faked the tape.
Hey, day one.
Hold on. Listen, he's an entertainer. I'm an entertainer. We get paid for entertainment. Don't use me for entertainment. If we get down in the streets, let's get down for real.
Why did you record the Lil Wayne thing? Then,
Why you record Lil Wayne them then, bro?
No, my nigga, y'all changing the narrative to the Lil Wayne and Baby thing.
No, you changing the narrative. You can record another nigga can too.
No, we block them off in the street, and y'all just mad because they got bitched out, my nigga. Maybe because y'all think
never even seen nobody, bro.
We had bloods with us.
Hey, we
But
didn't
you
see
got
nothing
Hey, let
happen
me
to
ask you
them. We
something.
seen
So
something
you
happen
talking?
to
Wait.
you, so you got bitched out.
No,
yeah,
no.
you got
What
bitched
happened?
out.
What happened with you and Menace then? Since you saying that game fight was fucked up. What happened when you and Menace when he whooped your ass head up?
No, man, I got jumped with Menace now. Me and Menace
Oh,
was
you
scrapping and
always
everybody
got
Oh
started jumping
jumped.
me.
my goodness.
It's on tape, my
What
nigga.
the
Y'all see
hell?
all the niggas jumping me. It's on
It's on
tape.
the table game fighting you head up, and you say he jumped
No,
you.
bro, you ain't got game
Maybe
fighting
he
me head
beat
up.
you
Come
so
on, my nigga.
bad you
That's why
thought
I
you
edit
was
the
getting
tape.
jumped.
My nigga, you edited the tape. Come on, cuz. Keep it 1,000. Keep it 1,000.
I have a question
And
for
Menace didn't have
40.
no
You
guns
talking
neither.
about a
Me and
nigga that
Menace
ain't
never
never
had but
sold
on
10
hand.
records.
Who said they
Me and
had a
Menace had
question?
on
This
hand.
dude been trying to get into the
Hey, and I'm
industry
gonna keep it 100
somehow,
with y'all.
some
Hold on,
way.
I'm gonna give y'all something y'all don't know. Me and Menace have spoke since then, cuz. All that shit, you know what I mean? We spoke since then and da-da-da. So, you know what I mean? Don't let these niggas with this fake-ass perception of what they doing, cuz. You
Hey, let
understand
me
what
ask you
I'm
a
saying?
Hey,
question, bro.
Sometimes I
What
just
What
gotta
hey,
does
stop
y'all don't
y'all
saying
realize
shit.
what
speaking
he
after he
doing?
beat your ass got to do
Hey,
with anything?
hey, y'all don't realize all you gonna do
I'm
is
saying y'all don't know the
bring some
situation. You
Hey,
don't know the
bro,
fireworks
what
over
makes
situation.
there,
what
bro.
you did not snitching?
I just told you. I just told
But
you
the attorney on here is,
listen, if I sue you right now and say you got bad breath and you gave me a headache and I sue you for $100 million and I win,
You
is
can't
that
compare the
snitching?
two.
I asked you,
There's
is
no
it snitching?
comparison.
How is it no
Bro,
There's no.
comparison? A lawsuit is a lawsuit.
No, that's
No, it's
not.
not.
That's not
Telling it,
true.
Hey,
tell it.
who's
Street,
changing the narrative?
street.
Y'all?
bro,
Okay,
Who's
can you
changing the
stop
do you
narrative?
know
yelling?
snitching is
Who
going in
changed the
front of the
narrative?
judge
A
and giving them
female or this
facts?
whack
Yeah,
ass nigga? Who changed the
I think you're
narrative?
going around. You're going
Okay,
around in
40.
circles.
Can we
It was
stop
missing.
screaming? Because I would
Yeah,
Hey,
we
like
can
to,
stop
you and
screaming.
I,
We can stop
hey,
you
screaming.
and
Let's go.
Speak
40,
that to the
40.
line.
Excuse
System is
me.
right. Only
One mic
Hold on.
on
Let's
me
do
right
this.
now.
One
One mic
mic.
on
mic.
me.
Let's finish talk. Go ahead, finish.
Okay, so 40. Can you hear me fine?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, let's not scream because that's obnoxious to everybody listening, including
All
me.
right. Go
Okay,
ahead, speak.
so snitching, is okay under criminal law, right? There's like a formal procedure for confidential informants. They're protected under federal law. That's formal snitching and criminal procedures. What is being put on the floor here, which I do agree with, as it relates to street culture, is that
No, it doesn't relate to street culture. They're
it doesn't
making
Let
it
her
relate to street
finish.
culture.
no. Right. Okay. So when you make law enforcement aware
No,
of,
there's no law enforcement aware.
did you
They were never
understand?
aware.
Wait, stop yelling at me. Did you
I'm
understand
not
what I
laughing at
said
you,
to
mama.
you?
I got a
Did
loud
you
voice.
understand? But you're
Hold on.
interrupting me as well.
Go
Did you
ahead.
understand when I explained to you that judges are enforcers of the law? That's the ultimate enforcer of the law. So if you get pulled over in your car for speeding, a law enforcement officer is going to give you a citation. When you go to the judge and he judges that you are responsible, he is the actual enforcer of the law. So that's what a judge does, whether it's in a criminal or a civil matter. So when you go before a judge in a criminal or a civil matter, you are making law enforcement aware of unlawful conduct. And the unlawful conduct that is put on the floor today is a case involving battery resulting in what I assume would be a personal injury matter. I'm not privy to the actual complaint, but it seems to me that's what the allegations were, and that's what the monetary damages were for. It doesn't matter that it became a medical condition. The issue is that it resulted from unlawful conduct.
ask him, was he under oath? Ask that.
Okay, it's presumed, but were you under oath when you made the statements that you made?
Is game under oath?
Phoenix,
That's
you
not
go
the question.
So we gonna leave it off right there, man. We gonna leave it off right there. Y'all let me know. Do you classify 40 Glocc a snitch? Y'all leave a comment down below, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned and y'all subscribe to the channel if y'all are new to the channel. One thing about this clubhouse that is very interesting, seems like a lot of gang banging affiliated people are talking a lot. I don't know if that's good for the gang culture, but that definitely makes it good for entertainment purposes. But it's just weird hearing all these gang members talking about gang related stuff out open in the public. But hey, I'm not in the gang, so I'm just gonna sit back and listen and just enjoy the conversation. It's entertainment to me. It's your boy Dan D. I'm out.